Back when the PC first debuted, the shutdown process was simple. You flipped the big red switch, the power went off, hey, you were done. Today, the shutdown process on a PC is more formal, designed to prevent data loss and controlled by software, so it's not without various issues. Now, the normal process works like this. To shut down the computer, you click the Start button, which is ironic, choose the Power gizmo, and then Shut Down. If any other accounts are active, which means another user is logged into the same PC, or you've switched accounts, which is unusual, you'll be alerted and given a chance to cancel the shutdown and direct the other person to sign out of Windows. Otherwise, the shutdown process commences, and it goes on its merry way, and any open programs are closed. Now, if data is unsaved, as you can see here, you'll be given a chance to save. So click Cancel. And then you can go back into the program. There you go. We need to save. Here we are. Save the changes to Untitled. And now with that saved and closed, we'll try again. Now, assuming that your data is saved, the shutdown process itself signs you out of Windows, closes all processes, stops all tasks, and directs the PC's power management software to turn off the computer. The only time this process really drags is during a Windows update. Now, when that occurs, messages on the screen will alert you to the update process. Do not force the PC off at this point. Just wait and let the updates install. To address various shutdown woes, first ensure that your programs are all up to date. If you're using legacy programs from older computers, they may not properly interpret the shutdown signal. The solution is to get the latest version of the program. Hardware that stalls a shutdown might also suffer from software problems. Ensure that all hardware drivers are up to date and current. If the system is completely stubborn, you can't move the mouse or access the keyboard, then you must force a shutdown. Press and hold the computer's power button for about 8 seconds, and the system should turn itself off. Upon startup, you will see whether the problem persists, and then you can take action such as running a system restore, rolling back a driver update. System restore is covered elsewhere in this course. When the shutdown process doesn't go smoothly, Windows informs you. Upon restarting, the system displays a message that the computer was improperly shut down. If you see such a message, first choose the option to start Windows normally. If that doesn't work, enter Safe Mode to perform additional troubleshooting, or run System Repair from the Windows Recovery menu as described elsewhere in this course. This is the same solution you would attempt should the computer somehow enter an endless restart cycle. Start the PC and access the Windows Recovery menu. Then you can enter Safe Mode, run System Repair, or perform a System Restore. Another shutdown and restart issue takes place for a reason. You may be one of the crowd who keeps their computer on all the time. If so, you turn on the computer's monitor in the morning and you notice that Windows has restarted overnight. That's the Windows Update service in action. Updates that require the computer to restart are vital security updates. The computer restarts for a reason, and it restarts no matter how you've configured Windows Update. So don't be alarmed. The computer is actually behaving normally and safely.